Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Snapchat application in your mobile and then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner here. When you are here, you have to scroll down and you have to tap on this My Friends list. And now as you can see, my best friend list. Now, if you want to remove anyone from this list, you have to copy his username. So if you can see this one here, his username is Mr. Dani56. So now you have to come here to his profile. You have to tap on these three dots and here you can see this option manage friendship. So you have to tap on it and then you can see this remove friend option. You just have to simply tap on this remove and then tap on this remove again, and now this friend will be removed from my best friend list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.